All right, since we had some people not join the Zoom today, we'll make a quick video for folks that didn't do that. Unfortunately, you are going to miss out on the review that we did of the test style questions in Kahoot. There's not really a way to do that in a video as we're playing games. And I hate that for you. Just make sure you're joining the Zoom so that you can play these games and get some review in. And we're going to be doing more of the test style question reviews on Thursday, and don't forget your test is on Friday, vocabulary quiz is on Thursday. So if we go into genetics, and I know that we have talked about the genetics project, you have that in your Google Classroom, but I did add something else today that I want to go over really quickly with everyone, and that is our rubric, just so you understand what you're doing. So again, you're drawing a picture, and you're going to have 5 different pictures because you're picking 5 characters. But you're drawing a picture of a character from one of the books that you've read with Miss Klein. So we'll keep doing Claudia because that's an example that I've used. So as you're drawing your picture of Claudia, you're going to list and describe 5 inherited traits that she has. And again, you can go back and review the notes in Nearpod if you need to on the different types of inherited traits. And so as you're doing that, you're going to come up with something that's starting to look similar to this. Again, I don't have everything in here, but similar to this. We've been kind of building that as we go along. Acquired traits, because those are a little bit tougher. You're only required to have 2 of those. You want to talk about your character in 4 or more things that they have learned. So if we go back to Claudia and we think about her, I know just from reading the book, The Mixed Up Files, that she had learned how to count in school because she was very good at managing all of their money. I know that they had learned how to read in school because they were walking around and reading all of the different things in the museum as they were learning more and more about Michelangelo. I know that they had learned how to wash clothes because I think that's something that they had to do in the book as well. So I know that she had learned a lot of things, so I'm adding those things in as well. When you're talking about traits, whether it's Claudia's brown hair or her blue eyes, notice how I said they're inherited from mom, and I used the word recessive. Skin color inherited from parents. Make sure you're using the words recessive and dominant when you can, just so that you're practicing using those words so that when we encounter those on the test and the quiz, that they're not new to us as well. Also, your artwork, your drawing, should match the traits that you are describing. If you're going to tell me that someone has a scar on their knee from hiding under a bed when the guard came in, you need to draw the scar on their knee. Again, this is not somewhere where we're judging people by art, but we are looking at it to make sure that you are putting in maximum amount of effort. So that will be there for you. And that's the biggest thing that we did today was we went over the rubric, and then people spent most of the class working on their project. So get to work on that project, and we will see you again tomorrow in class, and obviously online, but it's going to be another social studies day for us, and we'll move on from there. All right, don't forget, smash the like button and subscribe, and then we'll see you again next time.